on my feet. Sorry. I don't want this to end up being an outtake video. Some slipped. That would be an outtake. Here's low. I think this thing still has a bad cap, so, but they don't use it very much. They only use it like whenever, I don't know whenever they use it, but it's medium. There's Aire. I also see a bunch of fans were replaced in this place. I do know the traditional concepts were replaced with Charleston's still there. Mavericks are still there. But unfortunately, one of the condos had Enigmas in it, the early Metal Blade version. I have a picture of them, but unfortunately they were replaced with waves. I thought they were light waves for a minute, but apparently they're waves. They're not bad fans, but light waves are a little overrated, in my opinion. No, the waves, I do like the wave, but the light wave is a little overrated. But I do know those braidless, there's still no fans on where the bladeless Mariners used to be. And it's too bad those fans are in rough shape, because that would have been something I would want for my collection, is a Mariner. And actually the Concept 2 wets were recently replaced down the patio with visual comfort. I didn't know what those fans were at first, but now they're visual comfort / generation / Monte Carlo Jovi 58s. They're the LED, Jovi LED. That's what's down there. This fan, I think, reverse module might be going bad in this fan. Here's low. I always tried to look for the remote for all of them, but unfortunately they're only 1 speed, which really sucks. And they only work on high. I honestly think if the fan should be 1 speed, I feel like only operate on 1 speed, I felt like it could be better off on medium, probably. Or if it's on an area with lots of AC, I think probably just low would be acceptable. The Concept 2s are 3 speed, but it's sad that they trashed those fans and replaced them with Jovis. And it's even more disappointing how they replaced the Enigmas in one of the condos. And they also recently replaced the traditional Concepts as well, too. I'll show you when I'm done demonstrating this fan. Alright, it's getting warmer out here. But I'll show you. It's kind of up there. I think they replaced them with some newer 4-blade modern things. They kind of look like modern Fancos, but they're not actually modern Fancos. Anyways, thanks for watching. Enjoy, like, comment, and subscribe.